just saw her look at you and she's fluffed up her bum, which is...
Because I've changed. I didn't have this dress on earlier.
Yeah. I think from a distance you look like a cassowary, so...
Did you go for a ride on our roof, Chilli?
Yeah, you're cheeky.
Did you?
Cheeky Chilli. Let's put in the tent up. Morning.
The bird will not get off, Scott. It's hilarious. Oh, this is really funny.
Where's the claws?
Right there in front of your finger. You're just gonna have to walk about with her. No, I mean, you're gonna squash.
I'm not gonna squash it. Up you go.
Okay.
Go on then. It's better. It's girl.
Whoa. She's still here. Good morning from the Daintree
Rainforest on our way to Cape Tribulation.
This is the most ancient rainforest in the world. Pinch ourselves moment because we can't believe that we're here.
It's also the closest place to the reef. Closest land place to the reef.
And where the rainforest meets the reef. So yeah, pretty stoked to be here.
And we were in a good campsite last night. Proper rainforest setting.
snakes and spiders and cassowaries and a parrot. Yeah, it was fantastic. Anyway, we're heading up to Cape Tribulation, so we thought we'd stop off at this amazing beach. No idea what this little island is in the background here behind Scott's Head.
It might not have a name.
But it looks just like a little paradise island. Crazy. Anyway, we'll show you what we've got in store up at Cape Tribulation. We've never been before.
Not sure what's there because it's wet season, so
we'll see what's open.
Yeah.
Anyway, chat to you soon. Us reached the end of the track for us and our car. We do have 4x4, but maybe not as super duper as some of the 4x4s that they mean.
I mean, it might go, but
yeah, we're not going to risk it, seeing as we're literally in the middle of the rainforest.
Yeah.
So we're heading back down to more of the touristy stuff at Cape Tribulation, and we'll see what it's got to offer. This is where the rainforest meets the reef. It's spectacular, beautiful clear waters, white sand. Scott's writing his name. We have the place to ourselves.
Not writing the name.
And it looks like this tiny little boy here has the ocean to himself as well from here. Okay, so he wasn't writing his name. As it's the wet season, most things are closed actually, believe it or not. I mean, the wet season, it's so dry here. But we've just come to Mason's Cafe, as we've seen it in a video. And they have a swimming hole out the back, so they're closed, but we're going to go and see if we can get to the swimming hole. We found the swimming hole and the water is so clear and there's lots of jungle perch. We made it to the swimming hole. It's open. There's lots of water.
Lots of fish. Jumping fish.
I just said that I bet people come skinny dipping in here. It's so refreshing, but yeah, there's loads of fish.
Yeah, it's not cold, but it's only cold. It feels
yeah,
cold.
Yeah, it's only cold because it's so warm outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. What an experience. We just pulled up in the car park off the Daintree ferry after our trip to Cape Tribulation and back down.
Yep.
We've booked ourselves on a 2-hour
river cruise
on a solar electric boat, which will hopefully allow us to see some crocodiles.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a crocodile cruise as such, but...
And some wildlife too, so some birds and some frogs and snakes perhaps.
Yeah. And it is the 2-hour one, which is it's the rarer option. Not many people do it. It's a lot more expensive, but...
We thought it was worth it, you know, being where we are. So, wish us luck. Hopefully we don't get eaten by a crocodile.
Point 28, is it alright? Oh, you know where it is at?
Like that, it's the next again morning, and this is us heading south from the Daintree towards Townsville sort of area. We hope you enjoyed watching the crocs. I cannot believe we saw 5 or 6 crocs. A huge thank you to Dave at Solar Whisper. That was just the most incredible experience, and we were so lucky. There were the only 2 on the boat.
Yeah, it was good.
It was fantastic. So if you're ever up there, definitely look up the Solar Whisper.
Yeah.
We might film our trip down to Fraser Island again, lots of little spots we haven't seen that we might drop into. So like and subscribe, and perhaps you might see a new video shortly. See you soon.
Bye.